Hello guys, so as you can see we have this Ninja 650 in our workshop, and it came for some work obviously, and uh, when when we installed a new battery and when we started cranking this bike, we found or we heard a different weird noise that was coming when the engine was when the starter motor was engaging and it was cranking the engine. Um what I will do is what I will do is I'll just start the ignition and I'll just start cranking the engine. So maybe I'm not sure whether you'll be able to hear that weird noise or not. Just I'm just trying that this. So the kill switch is on, and now we are going to crank the engine. So just listen the weird noise which is coming from the one-way clutch carefully. Did you hear that? I'll repeat it. So this is the noise I'm talking about. It's a very weird sound. So the bike is starting. It's not the case that the starter motor is jammed or the one-way clutch is jammed. The bike is starting, but before starting, while the moment it cranks, while the starter motor goes and it engages with the one-way clutch, it's making some weird noise. I'll just do it again. Just listen to the sound carefully. This is the sound. So what we are doing is we are going to remove both side fairings, and then we are going to open the magnet cover for that, and then we will check the condition of the one-way clutch. So just keep watching. So we are removing all the clips. हे बघ ठेवून ठेवून देतो मध्ये. So one has to be very careful while removing the fairing because it has got lot many locks and clips. So you just can't remove the Allen bolts and pull the cover because then it might break the locking system, and that will result in rattling sound all the time. We have already removed the left hand side fairing, and now we are going to open the one-way clutch. So before accessing it, we need to open the magnet side cover. So these are all 8mm bolts. So now, as you can see, yesterday we have concluded that there is nothing wrong with the one-way clutch. So we have to open the starter motor and check if any rusting that has happened or not. So here is the location of the starter motor, and now we are going to remove that motor now. Maybe I won't be able to show you from that side.
So temperature sensor here needs to be removed so that we can take out the so that we can take out the motor. So this is the motor. You can see this. It was placed there. So we have to take out from the left hand side because there is no space on the right hand side. So we have to remove the temperature sensor, and then only we will be, then only we will be able to remove the motor. So now the next job is, as you can see, we need to open the starter motor and look for the damages.
So we are just trying to rotate this motor with the hand. Ideally it should move, but here it's not moving, and there is a noise also that is coming from the motor. If you hear this noise. So now we really need to open it and check what this noise is. Oh, if you see here, the magnets inside this motor are cracked. I'll still open this up. I'll just try to show you that these carbon brushes are in good condition. But the magnet is broken. Oh, so the starter motor is badly damaged. These magnets have already broken. So I think replacement of this magnet or the replacement of starter motor is the only option that is left. We just can't repair them back. So this is the condition of starter motor. The magnet has broken into pieces. I think repairing is not a option. Best way is to replace them. So you have seen us yesterday that we have dismantled or we removed the starter motor because we found the starter motor was the culprit. And you have also seen when I was dismantling this starter motor, lot many magnets were broken, and I was not sure whether we will be able to build this back because I initially thought that we need to replace this motor or it can't be repaired. Uh, Somehow I managed to repair this motor or rebuild this motor back to its normal position, and this motor is now moving freely. I have not yet installed this. I have not yet installed this on the bike. So now I'm going to install this back on this bike, and I hope that this will work. Um, because the new one is costing very high. And don't ask me the price because it's damn expensive. So we thought of repairing this piece. Um, I'm sure that I believe that we have built this properly, and now we are going to install this back on the bike. And I hope that this will work without any issue.
So guys, I have installed this motor back on the bike, and I'm very excited to start this bike because we spent a lot of energy and time yesterday in rebuilding that motor, and I'm too much excited. So let us start the bike. So we have turned the ignition. Now we're going to switch on the kill switch. Yes, and now we're going to crank. So just listen the noise. So I'll do it again. It is awesome. And we have done it. So we are very much delighted, and so we finally have managed to rebuild the broken starter motor, and we have successfully installed this on the bike, and there is absolutely no problem with the motor. The motor is not making any kind of sound. So yes, even now we are going to tell this to customer also, and we will see his reaction. So thank you for watching, guys. If you have any comments or any questions or any queries, please do write in the comment section below. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please do it because there are not many exciting videos we have already posted, and we are going to post it in next coming weeks time. So keep watching, and thank you very much for your patience. Bye bye.